Believe you can, and you're halfway there. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. The best revenge is massive success. Don't count the days, make the days count. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Every moment is a fresh beginning. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. It's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Happiness is not by chance, but by choice. Your limitation, it's only your imagination. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it. The only way to achieve the impossible is to believe it is possible. The greatest pleasure in life is doing what people say you cannot do. The only thing that stands between you and your dream is the will to try and the belief that it is actually possible. Life is like reading a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. No matter how you feel, get up, dress up, show up, and never give up. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday.